Alpha team, slow and steady. Keep the bit vertical.
Copy. Just coming off clean. Signal steady.
Bravo, press solder point. Minimal heat.
Iron live. Making contact now.
Connector exposed. Brushing pin. Hold position.
Casing coming down. Receiver aligned.
Team, set the package down. Nice and even. Alignment holding at 0.03 microns. Confirm when seated.
Copy. Chip is home. Contact surface is clean.
Roger. Solder flow slow and steady.
Pins locked. Current path green.
Drone sweep reheat.
Solid. Moving to 10.
Copy that, Bravo 2. Maintain tempo.
Roger. Tool heat tuned and steady.
Alpha check complete. Power lanes reading 99%. You're clear to finish the sweep.
Understood. Sweeping final pins now.
Swan, insertion complete. Team Delta, hold your line. Power grid is stable 92% and climbing. Heatsink brackets locked. Circuit integrity green. Fiber link connects in 3, 2, 1 secure. Voltage read steady. Microbus online. Soldering to final lead. Hold it.
Alpha team, eyes sharp. This node's our lifeline.
Arc steady, contact good. Sparks are clean.
Hold that angle, Riley. Quan, lock those feeds. Vega, give me temps.
Temp stable, 93 Celsius, dropping.
Copy. Core pulse is climbing. She wants to live.
Well complete. Integrity solid.
System online, green across the board.
That's our cue.
Arc steady. Feed holding at 32 units.
Copy. Circuit 342 warming. Trace line glowing clean.
Good burn. Keep the tip tight. No chatter.
Rating stable flow 29.4. She's locking in.
Roger. Final weld pass in 3, 2, 1 solid.
Hold that arc steady, Team Alpha. Current's clean. We're right on the trace. Beta, give me status.
Voltage stable. Thermal climb within tolerance. We have green across the board, Commander.
Copy. Seal the joint and prep the uplink. Mission clock is ours.
Captain, thermal spikes localized. Sector 9, connectors fried.
Copy that. Deploying drone for visual.
Feeds live. Burn mark confirmed, size 4 mil.
I'll patch the line. Cover me.
You're clear. Torch hot.
Welding. Connection set. Running integrity check.
Drone shows green across the board.
All right, team. We're on the hotspot. Let's clear it.
Copy that, Cap. I'm in position beginning diagnostics.
Fiber on the way. Lowering.
Make it quick. We only get one shot at this connection.
Voltage stable. Connector locked. Fiber secured. Signal flowing.
Hollow shows full green. System online in 3, 2...
Squad, eyes on the core. We're going in quiet.
Copy. Board steady, current stable.
Lopez, open the hatch.
Hatch open. Internal glow looks clean.
Inject the probe.
Let's see what she's holding. Probe in, signals climbing steady at 98.
Good. Seal it up.
Panel closed, systems green across the board.
Command.
32 on the board. Our task force followed the signal drop to the core controller. A hairline fracture in the solder, smaller than a grain of sand, yet enough to put the whole system on its knees. We moved in slow, by the numbers. Lopez lit the cavity, Carlisle ran the schematics. Every motion.
Steady hands. Tiny world. When the main line fried, command sent us, all of 8 millimeters tall, right into the heart of the board. This chip runs the whole system. No room for error. Probe in. Wire steady. Watch the current. Signals green. Patch complete. Good work, team.
Arc Alpha team, sweep pattern Bravo. Let's shine this panel.
Copy, Commander. Surface clean in progress.
Beta team, diagnostics.
Power route secure. Reading steady.
Solder that link. Hold it.
Link made. Current flowing.
System report.
Boot sequence complete. Keyboard module online.
Outstanding. Pack it up. We march.
Yes, sir.
Team, we are green across the board. Scope the breach.
Breach in sight. Light is live. Blueprint steady.
Cable leads inbound. Thread it slow.
Contact made. Link confirmed.
Copy. Driver going in.
Housing secure. She's ready for cover.
Lower the cap. On my mark.
Click register.
Key responsive. Good work, gentlemen.
Team status.
Keycap lifted. Switch exposed. No structural damage.
Roger. Proceed to inspection.
Spring aligned. Contacts
Mark.
clean. Calibration scan underway. Green across the board.
Copy that. Insert on my mark. Mark.
Key seated. Switch responsive. System ready.
Good work, all units. Pack up and exit.
Contact set. Stems holding. Force to hinge 2 degrees.
Copy. Ladder team, seat the cap.
Cap locked. Circuit confirms
All
green.
stations, diagnostic full run.
Progress 9-0 complete. Board integrity secure.
Field crew clear the zone. Exit node active.
Moving out.
System ready.
Core looks stable, but she's running hot. Hold it steady.
Copy. Anchors locked.
Interface port exposed. Deploying probe.
Reading your feed. Voltage climbing.
Initiating sync. 3, 2, 1.
Clamp secured. Core is seated.
Follow status green across the board.
Nice work, team. Bring her online.
Boot sequence engaged, and we have tone.
Delta team, core phase 40 is online. Running diagnostic.
Feed is stable. System clock reads green across the board.
Copy. Moving to access port.
Connection engaged, and we have link. Voltage normalizing.
Core integrity at 100. Mission complete.
All units
Delta team, this is Control. Core stabilization remains at 99%. Maintain present tempo. Bravo 2, continue the seam weld. Watch your temperature. Keep it under 120. Alpha lead. Diagnostic sweep reads clean on the 20+ face. Proceed to calibration. Copy that. Final tune running.
Alpha team, diagnostic projection is live. Core integrity grid up on my slate.
Copy, Commander. Beginning contact repairs.
Beam's hot. Tracing line 1. Connection sealed. Moving to the next pin.
On approach to data core. Opening service hatch. Hatch is green.
Circuit cluster 31 is...
All right, team, eyes up. Operation Tower Sweep is live. I want this structure sparkling before sunrise. Drone, give me a surface scan.
Scan is green, Commander. Structural grime at 30% and dropping.
Copy that. Squeegee 1, keep that rhythm. Soldiers on polished detail, stand by.
Roger. Climbing final panel.
Operation. Lattice Recon. Commencing final sweep. Micro Team Alpha stepping through the grid. Core towers firewall. Neutralized. Visual reads. Clean. Schematic transfer. Stable. Circuit welds holding. Second line confirms virus trace scrubbed. Patch module loaded.
Cable seated. Connection looks stable.
Data links up. Patch is running smooth.
Holding perimeter. Tightening the main terminal. That's it. Fire it.
Patch complete. Systems green across the board.
Team, that's a wrap.
Copy. Mission complete.
Breach confirmed. We got inside the core without tripping a single alarm. Tech linked the damaged bus, Soldier covered the flank, and the drone kept eyes overhead. Once the line was patched, the board stabilized in under a minute. No overheating, no errors. Laptops running clean.
Guiding the payload. Steady, steady. Contact. Locking crystal in 3, 2. Torch set. Cartridge tracking.
Fiber lead coming online. Routing now.
Command, Core 1 is in. Beginning integrity check.
Hollow shows 98% flux stable. Clamp tightens warning cleared.
Copy. All units stand.
Operations log 0600 hours. Miniature recovery team. Alpha unit on site at the failed data port. Mission, restore link integrity. Fiber line secured. Power feed stabilizing. Cube core running cold. Orange clamp locked. Handshake verified.
Status report. Scanner?
Signal clean. Amp at 100%. No interference.
Copy. Cable team?
Link lock. Data flow stable.
Bringing core online. Stand by.
Readings climbing. 95, 98.
Core stable. System online.
That's a green across the board, Commander.
Good work, team.
This is how we keep the system breathing. Tiny hands, steady and certain. Each port, each trace has a story. Link secured. Flow at 100. Voltage holds. Temperature falling. All of it stitched together by a grid we can barely fit our boots on. Data transfer complete.
Probe is seated. Circuit junction Alpha 4 exposed.
Copy that, Lieutenant. Reading stable. Let's get her patched.
Targeting gap now. All units hold position. Beam engaged.
Soldier coming online.
Easy.
Contact.
Flow is live.
I'm reading 99% integrity. Finalize it.
Panel sealing. System reports stable.
Circuit's talking back, Commander. Fault line's isolating. 3 nanometers out.
Then we patch it and move. We don't have the luxury of a second pass.
Laser good. Joint sealed.
Copy that. Next breach is 90 microns north. Form up.
On your 6.
Map shows a drop-in route. I'll anchor the line.
Alpha team on site. Contact. Circuit 34 shows a regular flow. Scanners reading a fracture in the bus. Securing lead. Stabilizing the node now. Link routed. Power returns green across the board. Good work out here. Core is steady. System back in
the core. Our battlefield is measured in microns. One wrong move, and the whole system flatlines. We work slow, precise. Every joint, every trace, they get our full respect. Scanner 2, sweep north sector. Solder lead, hold that contact.
All right, team. Target is dead center. Let's bring this core back online.
Copy. Tablet shows a thermal irregularity on the east pin bank.
I'll patch it. Hold steady. Contact, spark, solid well.
Power coupling in 3, 2, locked.
Diagnostics green. Processor hard.
Mission log, 2200 hours. Team Delta has breached the core substrate. Navigation is tight, components everywhere, but the heart of the board is exposed. Data appears unstable, hostile even. We move slow, no mistakes. Right flank opens the shell. Sparks are minimal. Good work. Central interface coming online. Diagnostics flowing.
Mission log, Alpha Team, nanoscale. Objective, restore power along primary bus line. Moving out. Damage located. Line 7, microfracture. Tech 2's on it. Patch secure. Flow stabilized. Good work. Next waypoint.
Sector 4 grid ahead. Trace damage confirmed.
Copy that. I'll prep the patch.
Drone, hold position. Feeding you diagnostics.
Grid scan locked. Let's weld this vein shut.
Arc engaged. Connection stable. Integrity reading full.
Good work. System's breathing again.
Command patch complete. Grid restored.
Alpha team, pressure sweep in 3, 2, blow.
Airflow steady. Dust cloud dissipating. Area around ASD is clear.
Spacebar housing open. Diagnostics online. Fan rotor at 30% contamination.
Copy. Hit it with compressor.
Rotor clean. System temps nominal. All units form up. On my mark.
Operation Keybase is live. Alpha team has eyes on the fault line. Patching crews are on deck. Node 3's on probe duty. Copper line integrity. Good. Bravo's lowering switch housing. Contact spark is within tolerance. Control drone. Hold position. Scanning. Data feed is green across the board. We ride this slow.
Team in position. Circuit module secured.
Copy. Expanding the schematic.
Drone, give me a top down.
Eyes on grid. Power reading steady.
Torque team, lock that spring in.
Working it. Secured.
All right, lower the cap.
Seat engaged and click. She's home.
Diagnostics green across
Keyboard
the board.
operational. Nice work.
Task Force Delta, mission key restore. Objective recover functionality on the November key, left side, row 3. Insertion team drops in, sets up lights. Contact shows fracture on the...